Hello everyone. Here I would like to share the basic concept of Playwright MCP server. Okay, so the Playwright MCP server is very lightweight. It helps us to execute our automation script. Actually, it's using the Playwright. The MCP server having some set of tools already pre-configured and have a connection with a different LLM model. So once the user is interacting to the LLM, we are sending some instructions to the model, and that model will utilize the built-in tools available in the MCP server, and using those tools, it will communicate to the browsers using the Playwright. So this will help us without writing any script. The copilot will help us to execute the script. So let's see how can we configure that. And here we have a GitHub site of the Playwright MCP server. So you can install that in your VS Code, and we have that option here. Just select the VS Code. To show a dialog, just use the open VS Code, and here we have an option install server. That's it. So that settings.json file will be added with this MCP server. And we have another option. Suppose you already create one project or you have some sample structure, you can create at the root level. Okay, just add one folder .vs code. After that, just create one file mcp.json file. Then just select the add server. You can choose the npm package from here. So here you can specify your package name, Playwright MCP. That's it. So just select hello and just click enter. That's it. So now you open your MCP JSON file. You can see that Playwright MCP server is added, and you can start the MCP server here. Just click on the start button. Sometimes you may get some connection error. You can see the error came. So you can do a cleanup in your cache. Okay, so you can select your npm cache clean force. Go to your VS Code, go to terminal. Just enter the command. That's it. So now restart your server. Now you can see the server is up and running. Okay, next you can open your Copilot. Okay, so here we have the Copilot. Suppose if you are seeing by default is ask or edit, you can change to agent here. Okay, so here we can send our instructions. Create a script to open the application. So here I have a sample application, and execute the script using Chromium headed mode. I just send that instruction here. So this Copilot will automatically create the script. Now you can see the script is created, right? So let's click on the continue here. Yeah, so this is because that Playwright test is not installed. That's what it seems. Just click on continue. Now we can see that is installing. Next, we can start our script execution. So now we can see the script execution is started and is closed. So here we have an assertion also. Okay, the title. Once we start the application, our title will be validated. Okay. Next, I'm saying click on login button. Okay, just added one instruction. Click on login button. So what this will do in this will add one more step. Now you can see one more step is added, right? So we can keep that script here. You can see that script actually now just open the application Next, we are validating the page title. As our second instruction is going to click on the login button. Okay, so just click on continue. Now you can see this will start our session. Okay, and this is actually click on the continue. Yeah, that login button. Okay, yeah. So here I can say remove that context clause script line. Okay, so I just instructed to remove that code, and now that is removed. See, it's removed from here. Now I am saying execute this script. So just click on continue. Now we can see that execution is started, and just click on the login button. Okay. Next I am saying enter the user name and password with random value before clicking login button. So let's see how this script will be reformatted. You can see there are 2 more steps added before clicking the login button. Okay, just to keep that scripts. Now our scripts are lines are increased, right? So navigate to our application, checking their title, just enter the username password, click on that button. Okay, just click on the continue. Now you can see that application is ended and also is clicked. Okay, so this is the way we can instruct to execute our script. Okay, so in the background the MCP server is keep listening our instructions. Okay, so that actually helping to communicate into the browser. So the interface, we are sending instructions to the chat. Okay, to the to the LLM. So we are sending our instructions to the LLM. That instructions are going to the pre-configured tools. Now you can see here there are different tools available in the MCP server Playwright. Okay, using these predefined tools, this copilot will automatically taking the action on the application side. So this is the way the actual scripts are executing. So you can also try to configure the MCP server in your system, and you can try to execute some SAML script. So this is very helpful. Even we want to create some scripts, okay, very quick, fast. That is also possible. You can execute the script. Even the pre-configuration also, this will help. Suppose if you are not installed any packages, so this will automatically identify the missing package and it will install. Yeah. So let's try from your end. Yeah, this is very awesome. Thank you guys.